turatangiye The Judgment Day niyo filime cyangwa se umunsi w'urubanza. Njye mwumva ni Didier Manirakiza. Saa dutangiye wari ugiye kwambuka umuhanda tarebye ruguru no hepfo, dore n'ibyo byabaye. Baramugonze. Shoferi araza arareba, ndamwishe cyangwa ayiwe arapfuye, ntawe mbona. Kamva havana bwangu. Shoferi yagize amahirwe niba atari umwako. Nuko bigenda. Ndakubwira isi yacu yabaye mbi aho gufasha. Undi asigara hajyamye ahumeka uwa nyuma. Iyo ngo umubona yakinye muri filime The Ghost. Ali Leke. Wari uryamye tubona hari undi muntu umuvamo. Narababwiye ngo umuntu harimo abantu babiri. Urabona umwe ntasigaye aryamye undi yamuvuyemo, uri uryamye rero. Uriya nukuba uyu hagurutse ahaza ahagiye kujya bizaterwa naho uyu uryamye ibyo yakoze akiri ku isi. Bibi ajya ahabi, byiza ajya aheza. Sasa uri ahagaze mu kurunguruka. Arireba ayiwe napfuye we. Ndaramuza Frank, ibihe byawe ku isi byarangiye, umunsi w'urubanza wawe ni none, nkurikira. Urubanza rwawe ruri none, nkurikira. Uri kumubwira kuri mu mwibuke nawe muri The Ghost yakinye ari Michael.
Why do you think you will be with the master today?
Ni iki gutera gutekereza ko uyu munsi urabana na Sobuja?
I'm a faithful servant.
Ndi umugaragu wo kwizerwa.
I served faithfully in your house.
Nakoze byo kwizerwa mu nzu yawe.
Yes. I'm a member of the choir.
Kado, ndi n'umuririmbyi muri korali.
Really?
Mukuri se?
Yes. Into internet fraud.
Kandi waragiye mu bujura bwo kuri murandasi, internet.
Scamming a lot of people.
Wiba abantu benshi.
Pains to several people.
Utero buribwe imbaga nyamwinshi, several people.
I was only trying to recover what the whites stole from us. I was not.
Nariho ngerageza kwigarurira iby'abazungu batwambuye, batunyaze. Nariho agerageza gutanga impamvu ariko arayibura. Baramuseka. Ndabariseka. Ibyo ukumva bivugitse gute?
Foolish.
Ni ubucucu pe.
You didn't believe in the lordship of Christ.
Ntiwigeze wizera muri Kristo.
Do you know why you came to church?
Impamvu waje mu rusengero urayizi? Kwihishira.
You were serving with eye service, not with the heart.
Wari wa wundi ukora ngo bakubone, aho gukorera ku mutima.
Of service. You came to church to build your music fame and to sleep with girls.
Wazanwe mu rusengero no kubaka umuziki wawe no kuryamana n'abakobwa, gusambana, kuryamana se gusambana. Wangije ubuzima bwa benshi abakobwa.
And have aborted several children.
Ndetse n'abana benshi bakujemo inda.
Who is Christabel?
Ubundi Christabel ninde? Bakimuvuga kiratinya. Nkaho kitazi yuko ibi byakorewe mu rwihisho. Bose bizashirwa ahagaragara. Najya ngo mwigishe amasomo ya keyboard. Ubwo ndabaha urugero nka piano cyangwa synth. Niyo ndi bukoreshe.
No.
Oh yeah.
You wanted to take advantage of her as usual.
Wagira ngo umufatiranye nk'ibisanzwe.
See.
Birebe.
Frank, please, I came here for keyboard rehearsals.
Frank, ndakwinginze, naje anganje kurepeta senti.
You see,
Christabel urabona.
You came for keyboard rehearsals?
Ndabizi waje kwiga senti.
Yes, we will play keyboard.
Turayicuranga.
Frank.
Ariko do.
What do you mean by that?
Kigerageza kurya indimi. Christabel, Frank, urashaka gusobanura iki?
I mean, I've had abortion for you severally.
Leta menye icyo gishaka kuko si ubwari ubwa mbere. Do nakuyemo inda zawe nyinshi.
You know, you need to get over this.
Ibi ukwiye kubirekera pe.
Ibi
dukwiye kubirekera, ntaho byaba bitugeza, ntaho byaba bituganisha. Christabel, byatewe nuko tutakoresheje ubwirinzi. Ubu ngubu turi buze kubukoresha, ubwo nagakingirizo kiri kuvuga.
For what?
Ubwirinzi bw'ikirego.
I came here for keyboard risers and nothing more.
Ko njye naje kwiga hari ikindi.
Okay?
Nta bindi. Urumvikana, umva. Tuza.
I'll be back.
Ceceka. Ahubwo ndaza kubanza. Nimbiragira ngo nyereke ibishwe. Show me things hidden. Kugira ngo imyaka izaza. Kiranyaruka mu gaforomasi wabonye. Umva twatuntu uratugira. Ababizi agapaki. Amafaranga uzabuyansubiza. Ariko ngororera uzabuyansubiza. Kiranyaruka. Pharmacy stores. Kirabanza kiranyaruka. Kumbe aha niho twatangiriye. Ye baba we. Dore aho yapfiriye.
Sadly, God trusted you with their souls, but you ruined their lives.
Ikibabaje, Imana yakwizereye n'ubugingo bwabo, ariko wangiza ubuzima bwabo.
Their blood cries for vengeance.
Ubugingo bwabo buraririra kwihorera.
And judgment. And that is why you died prematurely.
Nicyo cyatumye upfira imburagihe.
I'm sorry, Lord.
Ayiwe databuja umbabarire pe. Ubundi uko byari biteganijwe wagakwiye kuzarama byibuze imyaka 82. Kandi wakuzaba ijwi rikomeye y'amahanga ku isi.
Kings were meant to serve you.
Abami bari kuzagukorera.
But sadly.
Ariko ikibabaje.
Not sadly.
Kababaza kurushaho nuko
people at the other side.
Abantu ku rundi ruhande ubwo ku isi. Turi ntabwo ari ku isi, ntabyo bazi.
Why did you leave so Frank?
Ayiwe Franka. Kuki dusize vuba?
Frank.
Bibanza ari mama we.
You did not fulfill your destiny at all, Frank.
Mukuri igeno ryawe ntabwo ryujuje habe Franka. Pastor.
You are here?
Yego Pastor, ese nawe uri hano? Dore ibyo Franka yankoreye.
It's okay, mommy.
Mama ni sawa.
It's not about the duration of life.
Erega ubundi igihe uzamara mu buzima ntabwo ari cyo cy'ingenzi.
I know Frank is in heaven now.
Icyo nzi nuko Frank ari mu ijuru.
In fact, the angels are celebrating.
Kandi abamarayika bariho baranezererwa.
Frank was a faithful and humble son.
Frank ni wo kwizerwa, ntiyasibaga n'umunsi.
In fact, I was told he was on his way to choir rehearsal.
Kandi umva n'ikindi, nabwiwe yuko yapfuye ari mu nzira za kurepeta muri korali.
He died in active service.
Urumva yapfiriye mu murimo, ari mu murimo akora.
Frank is in heaven.
Frank pe ari mu ijuru. Pastor.
Frank was such a giver.
Frank yaritangaga.
He single-handedly bought a generator for the church.
We ku giti cye wenyine warukumbi yaguriye urusengero generator.
And he's always the first to give a pledge.
Kandi yabaga uwa mbere mu kwitanga.
All I can think about now is his smile.
Mana yanjye nje icyo ndiho ntekereza ni inseko ye.
Frank was too kind though.
Frank yari umunyabuntu.
All he says is God bless you, you are lifted.
Icyo yavugaga man uhabwa umugisha ushirwe hejuru.
No, he never missed a day. Every morning I got a text from Frank.
Uzi ntiyasibaga n'umunsi buri gitondo yarajyaga nyandikira.
Scriptures for me to wake up and pray with.
Anywereza imirongo yo muri Bibiliya inkangura. Ngo nsenge. Frank we. Frank urabizi? Frank yanyishuriye umusanzu w'ishuri Nerivare.
He helped a lot of people.
Yafashije abantu benshi. Frank yari umuntu utanga impano, imfashanyo n'ibintu benefactor.
That is what Frank is.
Uwo niwe Frank. Nuko Frank ateye. Ariko ubwo mwabonye post ya nyuma ye kuri Facebook cyangwa se ibyo yasize yanditse kuri Facebook.
It was like he knew he was going to die.
Uzi ko byari bisa nkaho yarazi ko agiye gupfa.
Check it, let me show you.
Do reba reka nkwereke hari umurongo yakoresheje wo muri Bibiliya.
I have fought a good fight. I have finished the race. My reward awaits me.
Narwanye intambara nzima, soje urugendo, ibihembo birantegereje. Yego we yarabizi.
Vouch that Frank is in heaven.
Umva nabihamya ntashidikanya ko Frank ari mu ijuru pe. Yego we.
It's just too spiritual.
Ayiwe Frank yari umunyamwuka. Umunyamwuka pe. Mama tuza.
Frank is in heaven.
Frank ari mu ijuru. Abamarayika bariho barishima. Mukuri pe. Ariko nk'umubyeyi wapfushije umwana. Ibyo ntiyabyumva. Ayiwe Frank.
Man's judgment is not God's judgment.
Uko abantu bareba si ko Imana ireba. Kwa Frank ho birakomeje urubanza rwakomeje. Uko abantu baca imanza si ko Imana iruca.
They do not know your secret sins.
Kuko ntibazi ibyaha byawe by'ibanga.
What has it now profited you?
None ubu byakumariye iki?
To have gained the whole world.
Kuba warugaruriye isi yose.
Now, to lose your soul.
Ariko ukabura ubugingo.
For little pleasure and material gains.
Kwinezeza bya hato ndetse no gutunga ibintu.
You have missed heaven.
Ubuze ijuru.
Please help me.
Ayiwe ndakwinginze mfasha.
I need just a second chance.
Wampaye nk'ihirwe rya kabiri.
I want to make heaven.
Mukuri ngenda ndashaka kuza mu ijuru.
I promise to serve Jesus.
Ndasezeranya nzakorera Yesu. Frank warakerewe. Inkuru nziza y'ubwami yarabwirijwe ku mateleviziyo, ku mbuga nkoranyambaga, mu matorero menshi, hakuyemo n'itorero ryanyu kwanza. Ariko uhitiyemo wo kwihitiramo uruhande rubi. Twavumwe. Uko biri nuko umuntu azapfa. Hanyuma nyuma y'ibyo urubanza. Nyuraha Frank. Ayiwe Frank bazi ku isi ko yagiye mu ijuru. Iraha ari gucishwa. Agerageza gutera impuhwe, ibyo se birakora. Yewe we. Frank birarangiye. Yakoze ibyiza. Yakoraga ngo ashimwe n'abantu. Ariko mu mutima we ayiwe. Sasa basoza bagira ati, for God will bring every act to judgment, everything which is hidden, whether it is good or evil. Ecclesiastes 12:14. Umubwiriza 12:14 niho hagira hati, kuko Imana izazana umurimo wose mu manza, n'igihishwe cyose ari icyiza cyangwa ikibi, ibyo byose Imana izabizana. Bamwe abantu mukore mudakoreye ku jisho. Kuye kwita ku iherezo ryanyu. Ni Didi ubabwira ndabakunda. Imana ibane namwe kandi ikomeze kubaha imbaraga zo kunesha ikibi n'icyaha. Bye.